how to make money with Binance Auto-Invest. Now, Binance Auto-Invest is a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced investors looking to streamline their cryptocurrency investment strategies. By automating the investment process, it removes the emotional aspect of timing the market and allows investors to focus on long-term goals. Some of the keys to maximize your earnings with Binance Auto-Invest is number 1, dollar cost averaging, or also known as DCA. You must invest regularly by setting up recurring investments at consistent intervals, and you must also buy regardless of the price because DCA smooths out market volatility by purchasing crypto at various price points, reducing the impact of short-term price fluctuations. The second is portfolio diversification. So you must invest in multiple cryptocurrencies, spread your investments across a range of assets with different market caps, risk profiles, and use cases. You must also consider a mix of stable coins and more volatile assets because stable coins offer stability while volatile assets have the potential for higher returns. Third is rebalancing because you must also periodically adjust your portfolio. Fourth is compounding, which means to reinvest your profits, which can significantly accelerate your returns over time. Last but not the least is long-term perspective. You must focus on long-term goals because crypto markets can be volatile, and you must avoid short-term trading and focus on long-term growth potential. These are some of the ways on how you can go ahead and then make money with Binance Auto Investing. I hope the video helped you and gave you a little bit of clear idea on how you can make money on Binance with Auto Invest. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.